1947? From British or from anybody, sir? From slavery? Do you think we got freedom? Then from where we are lacking? Yes, sir.
I think we got freedom.
How, sir? Sir, in 15 minutes I will prove you that we haven't got freedom yet.
Now, when you indicate that special date, that is for a freedom at a
Sir,
political
that
view.
is on paper.
Freedom.
Many of the things, sir.
Freedom with
just
respect to political view.
Sir, 15 minutes, then we will continue. Next, please. Okay, next. The truth is, slavery still exists and it is happening in our backyard. Okay, let me tell you about, we are not talking about Bangladesh and Nepal and all these countries. It's going on over there, we know. Take our on Kalawad Road. Do you see the beggars over there? They come to you, they ask you for a rupee. Do you find any sort of consent, happiness in finding that 1 rupee from you? Are they free? Don't you call that slavery of poverty? Okay, this is something as slavery of poverty. I'll tell you, if I keep you in chains, that is actual slavery, no? That should not exist in India right now because we got freedom in 1947. If I ask you, anybody of you, what is your price? If I ask you, ma'am, Ekta ma'am, what is your price? If I want to sell you, for what price should I sell you?
Invaluable.
Yeah, she is invaluable. See, even if I will pay $1 billion for her, she is not ready to get sold. Then why we are selling children at 10,000 rupees? What is 10,000 rupees? A mere amount. Okay, 10,000 limit. There are several cases where children are sold for free. If I am giving you $1 million, you are not ready to get sold, then what we have to do about them? Next, please, sir. Okay, so my topic is human trafficking or modern day slavery. In the morning you have already seen. I will show you one more perspective of human trafficking. Next. She is a lady in a 6-bed hospital of New Delhi, Sadarganj. She lies over there. You can see how she is beaten over there. Right now only we have seen so many presentations of feminism, male dominant society and all that things. When she was rescued and when she was asked, she told in a muffled voice that she was beaten by a lady. This is done by a lady. Now what do you relate it to? This is feminism, this is male dominant society. What is this? We call over here, we tell that women's, we are talking about women's, not our rights. This is done by a women. Okay, brothels. Brothels is, if anybody doesn't know, brothels is a place where prostitutes are kept or the sex for trade is done. Who sits over there in 90% of the cases? A female sits over there. A female sells a female over there. Next please, sir. What is human trafficking? Any sort of selling, recruiting, transporting child, human, anybody, women, human, in any form of trade is human trafficking. Why is it done? For prostitution, forced labor and human organs. Next. Worrying status. According to 2012 estimates, 20.9 million victims of human trafficking are there in the world. No issues. Let it be there. But out of 20.9 million, only 0.4% are rescued. And out of 4%, 0.4%, only few are there which are given aid. Next one. Human trafficking is the second largest criminal industry in the world. Just because few of you might not be aware about it is that terrorism and all that armed forces things come to you. The cases come to you. You see in the news. You don't see human trafficking in the news because out of 800 only one person is rescued. And that person because of shame of victimization doesn't come to you. Next slide. See, according to the World Health Organization, illegal organ traffickers harvest about 7,000 kidneys per year. From where they are getting the 7,000 kidneys? They are getting from human trafficking. Next. See the trafficking industry. See this case, in 54% of the cases the trafficker is a stranger. What about the 46%? In 46% of the cases, the victim already knows who is going to traffic her. Similar thing happens in rape cases also. In 92% of the cases, the victim already knows who is going to rape her. It is only 8% of the cases where he is a stranger. Next. Byproducts of human trafficking. As human trafficking is done for prostitution, HIV, STDs, all these are byproducts. The economic growth of the country gets lowered. Next. Species of human trafficking. You can see the child
human bones.
Yes, they are children of nearly 7 years. 7 years. Because nobody, if I'll ask you to go over there and to bomb yourself, you won't go. Child marriage is a form of trafficking. This is a child marriage. Recently, 2-3 days before I read a case, 69-year-old minister of Bangladesh married a 29-year-old. It is not a case of child, but you can see the difference. This is prostitution and child beggars. We see lots of child beggars. Next. Causes. What could be the causes? Illiteracy, poverty. Poverty is a global thing. See, when I am asking you are not getting sold because you are at your home, you can feed your own. This is because of poverty. What is happening next? The lies and the truth. See, the lie is the people think that human trafficking and prostitution are different. See, prostitution at some point is human trafficking. Secondly, people think that this happens to those who have no education. According to a survey, this happens to those who are actually having the middle education. They can at least feel what is happening with them. Fact. What about the money that comes from human trafficking? Do you think the traffickers are donating it to some temples? It is again used into armed forces. Okay, the Fox News, this was published in July 22, 2013. See the statement, it will be very hurting us. No? Because we Indians, we think India is very great. Human trafficking will not end until it ends in India. Such a statement for India. Why? See, according to the United Nations, the most dangerous place in the world for a woman is India. This is if you consider sex trafficking. If you consider the overall cases, we stand third. Afghanistan, Pakistan and India. See the 2013 Global Slavery Index. See here, we are topping. We have topped it all of the countries. The Global Slavery Index 2013, India stands topmost. Next. The trafficking, see every year 50,000 trafficking, 50,000 women are trafficked into US. See, US is a rich country. All the poorer countries, they are trafficked over there. They are enslaved over there, maybe for prostitution, for labor work and all that things. There are more humans. Okay, you might have heard about the African slave trade. It is known as the slave trade because it used to be considered that they were having the maximum number of slaves. From that African slave days, today in 2014, we have 4 times more slaves today. It is just because the population of the country has arisen, the overall percentage has increased. It is not coming into our mind, but actually we have grown this much. See, this is the picture of Sudan. These people are sitting over here. This is a market. You can actually go over there, tell a price and you can take the child with you. Then you make the child work 15-16 hours a day. Do not pay him. You actually don't have to pay him because you have paid once and for all. Then you do anything with the child. Nobody is responsible. Why victims remain silent? See, state to keep family safe. Second, do not know their rights. They do not their rights. Leave them. We do not know their rights. I do not know what is done according to IPC, Indian Penal Code. What are my rights? What I need to do? If I don't know, how will they know? Fear physical abuse. Ashamed to admit victimization. Next, sir. Okay, that's it. See how expensive will be in the morning. In Sapna Madam section, you might have seen it is a $32 billion industry. Okay, that was in 2007 and estimated of Google, Starbucks and Nike combined. Okay, इतना अगर जनरेट हो रहा है तो इरेडिकेशन करना पड़ेगा ना. इरेडिकेशन के लिए कितना चाहिए? $10.8 बिलियन. ज्यादा लग रहा है आपको? ज्यादा लग रहा है? कितना है? This is the amount we spend on movies every year. इतना ही है. Okay, prosecution. See, these are our Indian laws. See, according to section 370 of IPC, if any official is involved in these cases, he should be imprisoned. Though this act doesn't hold any responsibility for child prostitution, that is through human trafficking. These are some of the laws. These laws are actually put over here to tell you that nothing of this is followed in the country. Next. What do the officials do? The laws are for the officials, and what do the officials do? See, they take bribes, they warn them before raids, they sell the victims back to the traffickers, They destroy evidence, handling victims back to the traffickers and physically and sexually assaulting victims. See, in this case, you read this one. Lack of political will and sensitivity. When an official was asked, he gave the answer that she chose that lifestyle. Who chooses that lifestyle? His daughter will choose that lifestyle. Who chooses to have a sexual intercourse with 30 men a day? Who chooses that? Who chooses to beg on the signals? These are some of the cases that you will find in the newspapers this day. This is not my concern. My concern is this case studies. See over here, a government only 6 months. This is a case study of only last 6 months of 2013. First one, a government official was arrested for operating a brothel. Second, 17 police inspectors including 2 superintendents were arrested. Third, authorities arrested 2 police officers for running a brothel. A minister was, see here, a member of parliament and his wife was arrested. Where you go? Any victim is there, where do she go? She goes to official, she goes to an NGO. Okay. NGO worker is involved in trafficking. He was only selling the girls to Nepalis. He was only selling the girls to Bangladesh. Where if we think what to do, awareness, what you will do if you find a child breaker. After doing all this research, I will feel that I want to do something. I will find a child breaker. What I will do, I won't keep it in my home. I can handle it to an NGO. What if the NGO sells the child? Whom to trust? And do you think this racket is so small? From a tea stall to a minister is involved. See, 90% of the trafficking is interstate. Only 10% is international. We always claim and say that Bangladesh, Nepal, only 10% is international, 90% is interstate. अगर हमारा गवर्नमेंट इतना अच्छा होता तो एक बच्चा गुजरात में खो रहा है, वो उदयपुर में क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? 500 किलोमीटर में नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हम लोग. बांग्लादेश से क्या लेके आएंगे वापस? Okay, according to my research, he is Mr. B.H. Jhala, the महिला चौक के पास जो एंटी ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग ब्रांच है, उनके ये पुलिस सब इंस्पेक्टर है. और मैंने इनसे बात की थी according to my research to know what is the current statistics of Rajkot, to know about the urban areas. Though he denied that there are not many cases happening in Rajkot, the internet statistics was telling something else. Okay, he is Constable Mr. Bakulbhai Waghela. I met them to know what is the current statistics of Rajkot. To know what is going beyond Rajkot, I met one of the police inspector RF Goyal of Baroda. He accepted that there are many cases in, if you see the Kutch, in North Gujarat, Patan and all that, जो कॉटन सीड्स की इंडस्ट्री होती है वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे बच्चे काम करते हैं. फैंसी कितना हाई होता है कि आप अंदर जा भी नहीं पाओगे. उसके बाद जब मैंने when I talked to that B.H. Jhala, though he denied all the times, I don't know if anybody is sitting his relative over here, but he told me that none of the cases is going on in Rajkot. Though I asked him so many times, internet statistics दिखा रहा है, मना कर दिया, नहीं हो रहा है. मैंने उनको पूछा what do you do? I went 2 times over there. Actually in this picture there was a lock that is not visible. I went 2 times over there. 7 बजे ताला उनके वहाँ पर. I asked them, क्यों 7 o'clock क्यों बंद करके चले जाते हो? Madam, we are going for awareness. I asked, what do you do? आप awareness के लिए क्या करते हो? Government programs रखती है. उन्होंने मुझे CDs दिखाई, वो सब दिखाया. Government उनके लिए programs रखती है. Books, CDs उनके के लिए. मैंने पूछा उनसे, राजकोट में कितने anti human trafficking branch है? He doesn't know. He is the police sub inspector. He didn't know. मैंने बोले नहीं होता है, गुजरात में नहीं होता है, बांग्लादेश में होता है. सर कच्छ में नहीं होता है. मैंने उनको बोला, मैंने तो इंटरनेट पे पढ़ा है. मेरा कभी पोस्टिंग कच्छ में नहीं हुआ. मेरा पोस्टिंग हुआ Sarpanch of Kagri village. This is nearby Rajkot. According to him, see, that was a small village. I trust him because he told that none of the cases happened over there. That was a small village. The people were good, so none of the cases happened over there. Then next. To make you know, all of you, that we don't have a single NGO in Rajkot that is working for anti-human trafficking. मैंने इतना सर्च किया, कुछ नहीं मिला. Then I had a telephonic call with this Samvedna NGO. They told that if you are having, though now after reading all these cases I don't trust any national NGOs, but then I had a talk. They said that they rescue all these cases. Nelson Mandela, you might be knowing, he is the former president. According to him, he said that like poverty, like slavery, poverty is man-made. And if a thing is man-made, it can be eradicated by humans. Next, please. Okay, 22 million children are sold into the sex trade every year. That means 4 children per minute. 4 children per minute. If you want to help, these are some of the NGOs. See, if you pay 12,000, you can rescue a child. जो child labor में अगर आप क्राई करके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसमें आप अगर जाके 8,500 देते हो, तो आप एक चाइल्ड को कुछ चीज़ों से रेस्क्यू करा सकते हो, बुक्स वगैरह दे सकते हो. अगर आप 12,000 देते हो, तो वो लोग उनको स्कूलिंग और उस सब में डाल देते हैं. नेक्स्ट, these are some of the sources. Anti-human trafficking branch Rajkot. Okay, and this picture.